Dress up. Meaning, to put on stylish or formal clothing for a special event. For example, she dressed up for a party. She likes to dress up for special occasions. Try on. Meaning, to put on clothing to see how it fits or looks. For example, she tried on several dresses at the store. I need to try on these jeans before buying them. Take off. Meaning, to remove clothing or accessories. For example, please take off your shoes before entering the house. He took off his jacket when he got warm. Zip up. Meaning, to fasten clothing with a zipper. For example, he zipped up his coat to stay warm. I can't zip up this tight dress by myself. Hang up. Meaning, to place clothing on a hanger or hook. For example, hang up your coat on the hook, please. She hung up her dress in the closet. Button up. Meaning, to fasten clothing with buttons. For example, he buttoned up his shirt for the formal event. It's cold, I should button up my sweater. Slip on. Meaning, to put on clothing quickly and easily. For example, she slipped on her sneakers and went for a run. Love how easy it is to slip on these comfortable sandals. Dress down. Meaning, to wear casual or informal clothing. For example, they dressed down in jeans and t-shirts for the picnic. You can dress down for casual Fridays at the office. Pull on. Meaning, to put on clothing by pulling it over oneself. For example, he pulled on his socks before wearing shoes. I like to pull on a cozy sweater in chilly weather. Fold up. Meaning, to neatly fold clothing for storage. For example, fold up your clothes neatly before packing. She folded up her shirt and placed it in the drawer. Put on. Meaning, to wear or place clothing on your body. For example, put on your coat, it's chilly outside. She put on a hat to protect herself from the sun. Tuck in. Meaning, to neatly insert clothing into another piece, typically to make it look tidier. For example, you should tuck in your shirt for a formal look. She tucked in her blouse into her skirt.